This pizza peel comes in very handy for when you have to move your pizza around when you're making it at home, because we all know that's pretty tough to do when the dough is so soft and uncooked. It can fit up to a 12-inch pizza, and I love that it came with 2 different pizza cutters. The box that it comes in looks like a pizza box, so I thought that that would make a really fun gift. But basically you get this pizza cutter that has these really nice wooden handles that are really easy to grip because it has this like spot for your fingers. And then it has this plastic cover for safety to cover the blade. And then it is arched to make the cutting easier, so you can just kind of rock back and forth. Then the pizza wheel not only cuts the pizza, but can help you serve it too. And it has that serrated blade if you need it, and then that spinning blade that cuts the pizza. The pizza peel itself needs to be assembled, but it is really easy to do, and the instructions are at the back of the box. And then that handle can later be folded for storage. One thing that I noticed is when I cleaned my pizza peel with the scrubby side of a sponge, it did leave little scratches in the surface of the metal. So if you want to avoid that, just use the soft side of a sponge.